Hello friend, in this video we can find the value of x. The question is x minus 2 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 81. So solution from here. Dear student, firstly I rewrite the question here, which is x minus 2 whole to the power of 4 is equal to 81. In the next step, I shift 81 in the left side, so it become x minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 81 is equal to 0. In the next step, dear student, I can write 81 as x minus 2 whole to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 0. 3 to the power of 4 equals to 81. Now in the next step I can write x minus 2 whole to the power of 4 I can write is 2 times 2 because 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 3 4 I can again write is 2 times 2 equals to 0. Dear student, I hope you can clear from here. If you enjoy my video, then like to the video and subscribe to the channel. So now in the next step, I can write the given step is x minus 2 square whole square minus 3 to the power of 2 I can write is 3 to the power of 2 whole 2 is equal to 0. Now in the next step I write one formula which is very important. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. I use this formula in the above step. So I can write as x minus 2 whole square minus 3 square bracket बंद bracket शुरू small bracket x minus 2 whole to the power of 2 plus 3 square bracket बंद is equal to 0. Dear student, I hope you can clear from here. Now I can write it as x minus 2 whole square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Firstly, I take this one to become 0. Also, or I can take x minus 2 का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 3 का स्क्वायर is equal to 0. So now here I take this one. So x minus 2 whole square minus 3 square is equal to 0. Dear student, I can write this as x minus 2 minus 3 bracket x minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here minus 2 minus 3 equals minus 5 bracket minus 2 plus 3 equals x plus 1 bracket is equal to 0. Now here I take firstly x minus 5 equals to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0, comma x plus 1 also equal to 0. This negative 5 can be shifted to the right side, so the value of x is equal to 5. This is x1, and also this plus 1 can shift to the right side, so the x2 value is negative 1. This is two values of x, so I can underline these two values. So now dear student, I use the second one, which is x minus 2 whole square plus 3 square is equal to 0. Now I can write this step as x minus 2 whole square. This 3 to the power of 2 equals to 9, and here is plus 9, and if I shift to the right side then it can become negative 9. Dear student, I hope that you can clear from here. Now here I taking square root on both sides, so x minus 2 whole square and square root is equal to negative 9 square root. This square and square root cancel with each other, and it can become, here is plus minus, and it can become, as you can see, I can write negative 9 square root as negative 1 I can write at the side. Now here x minus 2 is equal to plus 9 plus minus square root of 9 separately and negative 1 square root. In the next step, I can write it as x minus 2 is equal to plus minus square root of 9 is 3 and negative 1 square root is equal to iota. So this negative 2 I can shift to the right side, so x become 2 plus minus 3 iota. Now here is again two values of x, so here I can write x3 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota, and x4 equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Now I can write here values of x together, so x1 is equal to 5. Also x2 is equal to negative 1. x3 is equal to 2 plus 3 iota. x4 is equal to 2 minus 3 iota. Dear student, this is the imaginary part of this question, so it is imaginary solution. Imaginary solution, and this one is real solution. This is the final answer of this math question. Dear student, if you enjoy my video, then like to the video and please subscribe to my channel for more this type of math question. And dear student, tell me in the comment section that either you can understand my teaching method or not, and tell me some suggestion that I can take it. So I hope you are doing all great. So subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.